Will you roll this back window down for me? Beauty Star more. Will you roll this back window down for me so I can see anything? Hello? Can you roll this back window down for me? Driver of the vehicle, roll the back window down. All right, driver of the vehicle, step out.
Hey, Meta, record a video.
Don't worry, everything's being recorded.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool.
All right. Is there something back there you're trying to hide?
Nothing. You can search, I'll help you.
I don't want to search your car.
You can search. I remember you. You can search. I'll help you. You can do it. Matter of fact, I don't consent to any search of seizures.
I'm not trying to search your car.
Okay, do your job.
The only reason I wanted you to shut up.
If you're gonna write, look, stop being unprofessional and telling people to shut up. Stop doing it. Be professional.
The only reason
you're supposed to de-escalate the situation. Stop telling me to shut up. That's rude. Have some manners. I'm here to comply with whatever you want to tell me to do.
You're about to talk yourself into jail.
For what?
Because you're being aggressive.
So, is that a crime?
Yes.
Being aggressive is a crime.
It's enough to get you detained.
All right. I'm gonna talk to you like this. That's okay with you?
I don't want you to talk. I want me to conduct my traffic stop.
I invoke my right to remain silent.
Thank you. Right. Okay. I'm Officer Boyd with the Richmond Police Department. The only reason I asked you to throw it down your back window is because I couldn't see inside. That's why I asked you to step out. The reason I'm pulling you over is because your tag's expired. Do you have a license, insurance, and updated tag?
Yes.
Let me see it. Thank you. Where's your license and insurance?
801-458-121.
Negative. Where's your license and insurance?
801-458-121.
Your license
I'm
and
giving
insurance.
it to you. How much time do I have to give it to you once my phone in my hand? Do you know that Mississippi made the Mississippi Mobile ID app and every officer in the state has to accept this as a form of ID?
I do know that.
You do know that?
I do know that.
How
pull it up.
I'm pulling. Is that what I'm doing?
You're arguing about it.
How I'm arguing with my phone in my hand?
You're not pulling it up.
I love your laws. You love them?
I do.
Yeah, you told me you break them and sleep good at night the last time on camera. Yeah, you said that.
Beauty and more on Pear Orchard.
You said that.
Never said that.
Right there. I'm legal. I don't break y'all laws.
You have an expired tag on your car.
Yeah, I need to put that on there. I have it on there by the day. I'm legal. I follow y'all laws because I don't like talking to y'all.
Yes. Give you some trouble?
Verbally aggressive. He does have some more violence. I'm not verbally aggressive. I'm telling him I'm 100% legal, and this is practice. This practice, I got everything he wants.
There's nothing legal about an expired tag.
Yeah, the tag is right there. I need to put it on there. It's nothing. I'm not missing nothing that y'all gonna ask for. If y'all translate this to verbal aggressiveness, then that's y'all. I'm not missing nothing. I keep the laws. Me telling you I keep the laws verbally aggressive. No, he knows me from previous traffic stops. The last time they pulled me over for this legal tent with the BMW on it, and he the one who took me to jail for it. The dude put the broke tent meter on it, and he said he don't have a problem with it. And then the judge threw it out. He knows I'm not lying. They put me over right there in the old Canton the last time. Dude put the tent meter on my legal tent.
Well,
just because the angle he was saying. No, I'm saying that the judge said it's not illegal.
Okay, well, my tent meter's not broke. I can put it on there.
Yeah, put it on there. Yeah, but I'm telling him the last time they did that, it didn't fly. And I was telling him that this is legal till I bought the car like this.
Okay, but it's not legal to have an expired tag.
Right, I agree with you.
You mind rolling your window just a little bit on the driver door?
Do whatever you want to do.
Well, I mean, it's your...
in the search and seizures.
Well, I'm not searching your car.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm just asking you roll the window just a little bit. He told me
to step out the car, man. He told me to step out the car. If you want to touch my car against my will, then you do it.
Well, I mean, I can measure your tent, but I'm asking
measure it.
Well, I'm asking
you got permission to measure my tent.
Okay, that's all I need to do.
I don't want you to work anything in my vehicle.
Well, you just said I could.
I told you I want you to do it. I didn't tell you to do that.
Well, you are detained, so technically I can.
I'm not trying to help you hurt me.
Calm down. Hey, calm down.
I'm trying to hurt you.
Well, if you will shut your mouth, I'll tell you that you're legal.
Man, your race been talking to us like that for too long, man. Y'all got to get out of there, bro. Y'all time is almost up according to Revelation. Y'all time almost up. You go back to Esau. Genesis 25 and 25. It said you were red all over.
Pulling the race card ain't gonna help you
No
out.
race car, it's a nation.
Exactly what you just did.
Nation. I'm from the nation of Israel. You from the nation of Israel.
Let me explain something to you, sir. You understand by him writing you a citation that's a courtesy, he can arrest you merely on what he stopped you for. Do you understand that?
Okay. All right.
Now, what I'm going on to tell you...
Y'all got us. Y'all got us.
What I'm going on to tell you is, yes, your tent is legal.
Okay, then write the ticket.
But if you... it's legal. That's what I'm telling you. If you'll shut your mouth, you would understand that.
Stop cussing at me and de-escalate. Stop cursing and be professional, man. Stay within your professional guidelines, man. Risen Police Department says honor, integrity, and pride.
Good, you can read.
Listen,
you can read. Congratulations.
I'm talking to you like a man, bro. You gotta
No, you're not. You won't shut your mouth long enough to talk with anybody.
That's the First Amendment. It's the right to free speech.
I understand that.
Bro, that's the First Amendment, right to free speech.
But you can't converse with anybody when you interrupt them.
I'm telling you, you are the one online. You cannot sit up and tell me shut my mouth. I'm not the little black boy from the 60s.
I'm not trying to treat you like anybody else.
But you talking to me like I'm something. You stop talking to me like
I just tried to tell you that your tent is legal.
I just
and you
told
won't
you that.
shut
Why
your
are you-
mouth.
Listen, I don't have to. I got a right to free speech. I'm not cussing you. I'm not doing all of this. You see what I'm saying?
He wants to be an lock his.
I need to put my tag on there today.
Correct.
Yeah, as soon as I pulled him over, I asked him to roll his back window down because I couldn't see in. Wouldn't respond.
Well, I tried to talk with him reasonably at first, but he just won't. You can't get a word in with him. So, I mean, I'm not going to deal with an irrational person. And since he wants to be that way, then we'll take his guns and put them in safekeeping. He's going to learn, dude. You don't treat police like that right off the bat. I mean, I was trying to tell him that his tent was legal, and he wouldn't shut his mouth. Oh, you found some dope? Oh, another charge.
Up to the counter. Take your right hand out first, put it up on the counter. Up on the counter. Dude, that dude talked himself into jail.
I can tell. Oh, Adam, his picture look different from his damn his license picture look different from him. Hope he pulled your.
I was going just right there. I wasn't even going to write him a ticket. I pulled him over because his tag was expired. I walked up to the car, and his tent was too dark on his back window. I couldn't see in. I said, will you roll down your back window for me? He wouldn't even respond. I said, driver, roll down your back window for me. He wouldn't respond. I said, okay, driver, get out the car.
Yeah, that's he acting now. Like he, I don't know.
I think I've arrested him before. I think I arrested him on Old Canton. I'm going to talk to Sarge about it because I might hit him for resisting.
Yeah, I said, you got that wrong. You want to search me? Already search me. I said, ma'am, just asking for your. That'd be cool with my.
He was throwing the N-word around. He's saying we was treating him like an N-word. I'm like, dude, I just asked you for your insurance.